Guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make an origami rabbit for Easter. What you're going to need today are a piece of paper, some scissors, and a pen. Normally with origami you need a square piece of paper, but not everyone has that, so I'm going to show you how to make your own using the scissors and pen. What you want to do is get your A4 piece of paper and fold the corners up so they've got one long flat edge just there. Then you want to crease it. Till it's nice and roughly even. Then you want to get your pen and just trace along the line along here. Once you've drawn the line, unfold the paper, get your scissors and cut along the line. Now that we've got a nice square piece of paper, we can start folding. Guys? Okay, so now that we've done that, we're going to fold the piece of paper up horizontally so the top two edges are flush against each other, creasing the middle. Open the paper up, and we're going to do the same to the bottom half, folding up towards the center of the page. Flip the paper and do the same for the bottom half. Once you've done that, open the page up, turn it, and we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Open it up and fold towards the center. Make sure the creases are nice and tight. Once you've done that, open it up and you should have a checkerboard pattern on the paper. Like that. Now we're going to fold the page diagonally, making sure the top two corners meet. Crease the page and then do the same thing in the other direction. This will make it easier for us to fold later. Once that's done, fold the page back towards the center. Then we're going to get the two edges down the bottom and tuck them into each other, making a diamond shape at the end of our rectangle. Just like that, remembering to crease each fold as we go. Do the same thing on the other side. Once you've done that, fold the edges upwards. And I stuffed it. And on one side, we're going to fold the edge into itself so that the outside edge touches the crease in the middle. Almost like folding an aeroplane. Then you're going to get that edge and you're going to tuck it backwards so that you have that shape there. Get the very end and fold in just a little bit, not all the way. That's going to be the bunny's nose. Then we're going to fold the paper in half until we have what looks like a weird banana. Grabbing the back end, you're just going to push it inwards into itself. Can get a bit ugly, this part. Creasing as you go down. And then this part just underneath here, you're going to push out and fold it back in on itself. There you can see the rabbit's head is taking form. On the back of the rabbit, you're going to get the two pointy ends and just tuck them inwards. And that will make his butt. And the last step, fold down the two ears, pop your finger in and just give them a little push forwards for some shape. And there you have it, a little origami rabbit. Don't forget the eyes. Now he's perfect.